My teacher. My name is Luis Atienza. I am 38 years old. I am going to talk about my family goings. Is made of four members. My wife Ana Moreta and my two children Joel has 18 years, is a student of university and playing soccer. Axel is 13 years old and is school in the ninth grade and likes swimming. We live in the south of Quito in the Argelia sector. Sister in life who also lives in the south. Housing with of who for war reason also online Arabics on weekends. I have three siblings, two boys and a woman who is visited not very frequent, though two times constant. My parents live in the province of Bolívar. They are elderly and are dedicated no agriculture.